How to open a savings or high interest account with Coast Capital. Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how to easily do that. First thing you have to do is open up your web browser and then go to a new tab. Now you just want to simply head over to Coast Capital's official website. Go ahead and search for Coast Capital and go to coastcapitalsavings.com. Once you are on this website over here, what you're going to have to do is tap on the three dots at the top left and then scroll down until you find the sign in button. You could also find it on the top right corner of your screen, and additionally on the menu section you'll find the profile icon at the top right as well. So what I'll do is simply go to the sign in option at the top right, which will take you to the login portal of the website. Now, in order to open a new savings account here, you can just go ahead and click on here for the first time, sign up for digital banking. Tap on this link. Now, if you have the app on your device, it take you to the app directly. Then here are some of the things that you need: the last 8 digits of your debit card, and if you don't have a card yet, they emailed you the number when you opened your membership. Now just go ahead and tap on get started, and if you don't have any of these, you could just tap on become a member first, and then from there you could just tap on get started. So all you have to do here is go ahead and enter the last 8 digits of your debit card and enter your personal access code as well. Now from there you could just go ahead and basically enter that. Now it will ask you if you are a Coast Capital member yet. If not, you could just go ahead and select not yet, and they'll redirect you to the site where you can easily sign up to become a new member. Select your province, tap on if you're older than 18 or not, tap on yes. If you'd like an individual account, check this box, tap on next again. Now wait for a bit. Now you just have to fill out all of these forms with your title, first name, middle name optional, then you have your last name, enter your date of birth, tap next, and just fill out all of the details that they ask you to. Then you'll need to enter your contact info like your email address, your street address, phone number, and if your mailing address is the same, you can just check that as well. Once you've filled out all of the details, tap on next again. Then you're going to have to select your employment status. I'll just select student for now. Tap on next again. Then from here, you can just select, are you a tax resident of Canada? If yes, tap on yes. Enter your social insurance number. If no, just tap on no and then tap next again. Now, once you fill out all of these details, there are some other steps that you need to follow. Just follow the on-screen instruction and you should be able to open up a savings account for yourself. That's basically it, guys. If this was helpful, hit the like button below, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.